I think, am I audible? Yes. Yeah. So as I was saying that here you can see the tutorials, the written form of the tutorials of all the algorithm, all starting from all the basics algorithms as well as some of the advanced algorithms. And what's the most interesting and most important thing about this section is it's created in such a way that it is a very it gives you a very step by step approach. So in spite of putting it all together, so yeah, I think it's a general process for learning any complex thing. So you break that whole thing into very small steps, right? And you go each step at a time. So if you follow this kind of a strategy, you can learn anything, not just specifically any quantum algorithm, but in general in any life. That's what I feel. So in that sense, I feel like it's been broken into a lot of steps uh, in a very simple step by step way. It has been written in here, so which will definitely help you to understand it. Um, uh, and you can do your experimentation with, yeah, you can do your experimentation. Uh, Once you have a build understanding about this algorithm, you can play with the circuits, or you can play with creating new circuits based on whatever algorithm that you have learned. So that's in a sense a very unique platform, universe. So yeah. So once you register, so one thing that I forgot to mention is you have some balance. So once you register and you have an account, you will have around 150 credits. And uh, each time you run a circuit, so each time you run a circuit, once you create your circuit, based on if you're running it on a CPU or if you're running on a GPU or if you're running on a QPU, uh, based on that, some amount of credit will be deducted from your account. Now, this way, once your credits are all gone, then you need to have again contact our team to maybe refill it. And there is also a redeem system there. So maybe you have to incorporate that also to get more credits. Yeah. So yeah, as I was discussing in the documentation section also, here you will have user guide as well as a QSDK where you will get all the documentation of all the algorithms as well as the FAQ and some troubleshooting. So what are the problems with different kind of uh, if you face any problem, you can search your questions here. Maybe FAQ we will help you to answer that. And there is one more thing which we call it as a Q assist, which is more like a mini chatbot, mini chat GPT in this platform. So what it will do, it can navigate to you based on whatever you need, and you can get to know about what is the current status of your job ID by chatting with this. So for example, if I want to know the latest job that I have submitted in the backend CPU in the cluster, so the job ID is 10,365. So if I just simply ask my Q assist what is the current status st- of the job ID, what is it, 10,365, right? So if you just um, do this, it will exactly give you 10,365. Sorry, I made the number mistake. Sorry. 65. Yes. Yeah. So I think it will showcase what is the, yeah. So as you can see, use Josh algorithm that I have just submitted in the backend with job ID. This was completed in with mentioning the date as well as how much time it took in the Quasam simulator using the Qiskit and CPU accelerator within the QACC cluster environment. So if you just click here, you will get the full details of it. Yeah. Um, yeah. And one more thing is launch notebook. so where you can create and build your own algorithm from scratch. So you can use, so this is the notebook environment that you will get, so where you can build and create your full algorithm based on either it's a Qiskit based or Circ based. You can write this algorithm from scratch, and you can test it using this notebook. So yeah. Mhm. Yeah. So yeah, I hope I have covered it. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. One more thing is, if you want to execute those quantum circuits into some quantum hardwares, such as QPU, you need to have API key of Superstack. So because CDAC still does not have uh, quantum reference facility, which will soon will have it in very in, let's say, in upcoming months, but we are still using Superstack API key. So before submitting your jobs into a quantum processing unit, you have to have Superstack API key. So once you click here, you will be able to create, you will be able to generate your account in Superstack, and once you do that, you will be able to see your Superstack API key. And once you have that API key, you can execute your all your jobs into QPU as well. So with this, I think I covered all of the points. So yeah, you can ask me any questions if you want. No questions? No questions. Come on, ask. Anything.
Hi, sir. Sir,
Yes.
do I need, sir, like in the while creating the account, we will be getting 150 credits or some other credits, right, sir?
Uh,
So one all the credits that I have, like if all the credits that I have used were over, so how can I get the new credits? Do I need to
yes.
purchase plan, or do I be having any kind of referral system to earn more credits?
Yes. So for that, you need to contact our CDAC team to get more credits. So we have a kind of a redeem system. So if you go here, um, yeah. So just you can see here. So once if you are in a free plan segment, you will get 150 credits just after your registration. And if you apply your jobs on CPU, it will be deducted 5 credits. If you apply it on GPU, it will be 10 credits, and QPU will take 2 credits. So once you will done all of your credits, like once you run up all your credit points, so you have to redeem it. You have need to have a coupon code, or you can directly contact our CDAC team, which will definitely guide you to get more uh, credits or redeem points.
And also, sir, on top of that, do I get any kind of daily free credits as well?
Sorry, what?
So, like, do I be getting any kind of daily free credits?
Tele? What? Tele?
Free credits daily, like 5 free credits for every usage that I do on daily purposes. Like what I'm exactly asking is if I am run out of all the 150 credits, or while I'm using the 150 credits, do I be getting any kind of free credits daily? Like some other platforms offer 5 free credits for every day, right? So do we got do we also have such kind of feature? I'm asking.
Not exactly. So I think some sound disturbances came. I couldn't hear you properly. So what exactly you are asking? Like
Like do we got free?
Sir, some platforms are offering daily free credits,
uh
daily 5 credits of free like that. So, do your platform also offer daily free credits like that? He's
yeah,
asking that.
these 150 credits are completely free. So once you register it, these 150 credits are completely free, which you'll get after registration. And once you used all of your credits, and how it will be get deducted, so based on these matrices. So for CPU usage, 5 credits will be gone, for GPU 10 credits, and QPU 2 credits. So in this way, you can calculate how much circuit, how many circuits you can actually run. So once you run up all your credits, then you have to contact us, or maybe to have a redeem code, or maybe you have to purchase more credits.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir, for guiding us about Universe. Recently, I am enrolled in QUniverse Developer Certification course.
Mhm.
For that, we need to submit job IDs, sir.
Hmm.
Past 3 months back, I created IBM Cloud account. How can I include this into this, sir? That account, that ID to this. Are you understanding my point?
You want to include your IBM account into Universe?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
How
So
to?
earlier IBM you had that facility to integrate IBM's API key as well here in Universe, but right now it's been disabled by IBM. So we will have our own reference facility very soon, like our own quantum computer, like a
But
60 qubit system. So then once you have your algorithm ready, whatever QPU, whatever, if you want to choose your algorithm to run on a QPU, so it will exactly run on our QPU. So you don't need actually IBM's API key actually for that.
sir,
After that.
in the form we need to submit the job IDs, sir.
Hmm.
Job IDs. We need to submit the job IDs.
Yes, job ID. Yeah,
How can we get job IDs after the run
yeah.
of
After
our
the
circuit?
run here,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes,
In
of course.
QUniverse.
So after, okay. So let's say I pick a simple algorithm, Dewey algorithm. So if I just hit the run button, so see my balance is around 90 credits. So here, if I choose CPU, I'll be taking, like 5 credits will be taken for GPU, 10 credits will be taken, and corresponding for QPU as well. Now, if you choose QPU,
Take least
right?
credits.
So you need to select the super stack hardware, right? And once you submit it, like let's say I want to run it for the GPU. Okay. So yeah. So your question was how to get the job ID, right? So here you can see once you submit your job, yeah, your job ID has been created here. So you see 10,369.
So circuit ID and job ID are same, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
So
sir.
and correspondingly you will be able to see the status also. Now, if that does not make you, like if that does not answers your question, you can directly go here. Okay. Uh, and get into the job section where exactly we'll get. I think yeah. Here is the job, the last job that I have submitted, which is still on queue. Here is your job ID. I think it's still in running. So yeah, so here is the job section again. Yeah, it's completed now. So this is your job ID. Job ID and circuit ID is basically same.
Both are same.
Both are same.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, is there any other platforms which are offering the same features like this?
So that's why Qniverse is most unique platform because same feature by meaning that you will. I think there is no platform available where you will get the tutorials of various kind of algorithms to already uh, pre-created algorithms that is already available in the platform, as well as you need not to learn different kind of frameworks. So if you learn only Qiskit, the corresponding different frameworks, coding will also be available, programming will also be available. So in a sense, in these perspectives, so I feel Universe is the most unique platform, and there is no other platform which is offering in these three, all of them three.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, that's it. So I think in the next session I'll be talking more about physics aspect of which is my core expertise. I feel physics aspects of how does a quantum system evolves with time and how we can create a equivalent circuit of it. So I'll going into that in a very detailed and a very I feel like all of you have a much more intuitive understanding about that algorithm. So yeah, I feel like you will have a great time if you yeah listening to that talk. Yeah. So with that, I'd like to end my talk. Yeah. So that's done. Huh? Yes. Anything else?
Sir, who on earth will not be fascinated by hearing on such a stage like Qiskit Fall Fest that you do not need to be a pro coder to code quantum things, and you can simply do quantum circuits by just using GPUs, like simple designing. So this session is, of course, so fascinating and insightful, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time and the insights you gave us. Thank you so much from all of us, sir, on behalf of all of us. A big thank you to Mr. Tilok, sir, for taking the time to guide us and for sharing such valuable insights. The session has truly made quantum computing feel accessible, exciting, fun, as well as practical for all of us. So let's give him a very big round of applause for all his efforts and knowledge he has shared with us. Thank you, sir. And so, dear participants and everyone, it's now time for a well deserved lunch break after all the sessions and after all the knowledge you have grasped from morning onwards. And so, take this time to refresh and recharge so you can come back with full energy and curiosity in the afternoon sessions and get going with the remaining sessions of the day 5. There is way more knowledge coming your way, guys. So, enjoy your lunch and we'll see you back here very soon for more exploration, learning, and innovation. Thank you, guys. Please fill out the feedback forms to confirm your attendance of the sessions and also give us your valuable feedback.